Welcome to NBGI Group, Class 10th, Subject History. Today's topic is the Old Trade Route. Old Trade Route is the best example in the pre-modern trade and linked between the present modern world also. The Old Trade Route we have called in the ancient time the Silk Route. He was linked between the Eastern Asia to the Western Asia and also the Africa and the European countries. Many are traders travel in this route, but some of traders trade in the old routes and many are agents work cover in the some distance in this route also. This route is a famous for its Chinese silk because many are Chinese traders take his silk and goes to the western countries, Western Asia, Africa and Europe and sold his silk. So this route is a famous as a Silk Route also, and this route is as a work for the trade, but he was many are religious minds to work in this route. You have seen many are Muslims religions came in this route in India, and the Christian missionaries came in India and the different part of the countries, and we have seen the Baudd and Jainese religions goes to the Eastern Asia like Korea, Japan, China and extend this trade. So he also this route as a work of exchange his culture, religions and philosophy also. So this route is a very important for the all philosopher, religious and trade also and important when the traders goes to one countries to another countries. He was known as a culture of the countries and about the good word of the religions also. So when he was came in his country and exchanged the good philosophy of the country, what is the trade of the countries also, and also the food are also global of the world. We have seen like a noodles as a Chinese food, but many are travels goes to the western countries and it was a famous. So the food, cultures, religions exchange to this road also. Thank you.